Tell me that this one is not the cutest. This is a nightlight slash humidifier with a 6-hour continuous flow, and it has a color changing option. Comes with the cute little palm tree and gems you see floating on the inside. I had to put this in my daughter's room because it was just too cute not to give it to her. Soon as she seen me coming in her room with it, she was on 10 toes. Yes, baby, this one's for you. 2-in-1 nightlight and humidifier. You can add a little floral scent, or you can just put water in there for the aesthetic. It's also a nightlight, and it's gonna diffuse the air as well.